Linksys Wi-Fi router setup, manual method tutorial. Linksys Wi-Fi routers can be set up using one of the two primary methods, using Linksys app and manual method. This guide details the manual setup process exclusively. To watch router's configuration through Linksys app, please follow the video link mentioned in the description. Let's begin with the manual Linksys router's setup. Firstly, unplug the modem from power outlet. And place router near modem. Now connect router's WAN port to modem's LAN port using an Ethernet cable. Power on router as well as modem using their individual power adapters. Connect computer to the Linksys router's network via Wi-Fi. The default name of the Wi-Fi is Linksys_5 GHz. Once connected, open the web browser to enter either the IP address 192.168.1.1 or web URL myrouter.local. Let's get started page will be loaded. Here check the terms box and click on the cancel button in the bottom. Lastly, press close button to exit the auto setup wizard. You will be automatically redirected to Linksys web-based interface login page. Here, enter the default password, and the default password is admin. This will open the manual setup dashboard which shows the settings of the router. To start the manual setup, select the configuration option, then choose Wi-Fi tab and click on Basic Wireless Settings. Then, check the Easy Mesh option under the Basic Wireless Settings over the interface. Next page will be loaded, wherein you can select either one or both, 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz frequency band for your Wi-Fi and save. When you save the settings, the computer will automatically disconnect from Wi-Fi and after a few seconds the Wi-Fi resumes again. Now, it is time to change the default password, so connect the computer to the Linksys Wi-Fi network again. Again access the web-based interface and go to the configuration, then choose Wi-Fi and click on the wireless security. Here, reset your Wi-Fi password and save it to apply the changes. After saving the changes, your connected device will lose Wi-Fi connectivity temporarily while the router applies the new settings. Wait for a few seconds, and then you will see Linksys router's network on the computer's Wi-Fi network list. The manual Linksys router setup is now complete, and you can connect your devices to the newly configured Wi-Fi network. I hope you found this information helpful. If you did, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future updates. Thank you for watching.